Aloha everyone, I'm Cheryl Hamilton and I've got a really cute project for you today. I'm going to show you how to make this kimono card. Isn't that cute? So the little obi slides down and opens up and you have a little bit of room to write your message. Okay, so this one, I made it so that it actually flips up and you can write more inside. So stay tuned and I'll show you how to make this cute card. So to make this kimono card, I'm using fresh as a daisy paper, and I just want to try it with a different sheet. So before, I've got the copper one, and this time I want to try this pretty blue one. So I'm going to start out by cutting this paper 8.5 by 5.5. Oops. Then I'm going to score this one. Let me get my scoreboard. Be careful when you're scoring design series paper because it's thinner than cardstock and you don't want it to tear when you fold it. So I'm scoring it with the 8.5 inch along the top, I'm scoring it at 2 1/8 and 6 3/8. 1, 2, 3. So I'm folding the card in towards the middle. And then I need my cutter again. Okay, with the card still folded, I'm making a 3/4 inch cut at the 2 inch mark. So I keep it folded. I'm going to put the top of this at 2 inches. And then I'm going to come over here with my blade and just cut 3/4 inch. So I lift it a little bit, look for 3/4 inch on this side, put it down and just cut. And then to do the other side, you just flip it over and again put it at 2 inches, find 3/4 inches and cut. Now I'm going to fold this long piece here in towards the middle. And then I'm going to fold it back the other way. And same thing on the other side. Fold it in towards the middle. Just get it straight, by looking at the bottom and stuff. And then fold it back the other way. Okay, you open it up and then you press this part in like this towards the center of the card, and that makes your kimono. So again, press this in like that and then burnish all the folds. So see, it's coming together already pretty quickly. For the neckline, I'm just using a ruler to help me get this straight. I'm just placing it right under the arms and under the sleeves, and then I'm folding each side back about 1/2 inch to make a V neckline. I mean, it doesn't have to be exactly precise, but there you go. Isn't that neat? So I really like it when this shows instead of putting my white cardstock all the way up to here. I want to make a small card so that it basically looks like this. For the obi, the little belt, I've cut a strip that's 1 inch by 6 inches, and I'm just going to wrap it around the back like this and glue it together. Don't do it really, really tight because you need to be able to slip it up and down. I'm going to use Stamp and Seal Plus, and just glue it on like that. For the ribbon around the obi, I'm going to cut about 10 inches, and I'm using the boho blue. It's a 3/4 inch ribbon. It's real pretty. And I want to attach it around the center here, but so that it doesn't keep slipping up and down, I'm going to add put a little piece of tear and tape. I like to use my Take Your Pick tool to get the backing off. It makes it really fast and easy. Then I'm going to put the ribbon kind of in the middle over that. There you go. And then just tie it around the front in a square knot. Ooh, I could have given myself another inch or two, but it'll still work. Okay, that's so cute. And okay, for the inside, I want to be able to write in this. So I'm going to cut a piece of basic white, 2.5 inches by 6.5 inches. And I've scored it down the middle at 3.25. You fold it. Just burnish the fold. And I'm going to stamp some flowers and the sentiment from Cheerful Daisies, because that'll go really nicely with my paper. Using boho blue ink. Let me see, I'll do Wishing You the Brightest Birthday. It's pretty. Okay, I'm about done. I'm just gonna open it up and glue it to the inside here. You can write your message on the inside. Oops. See, isn't that just the cutest? I love it. So I like this color too. think it's bubblegum and wild wheat. The colors on the pink one. Okay, well, thanks so much for watching my video today. I hope you guys give this a try. It's a lot easier than it looks, isn't it? So please subscribe to my channel and stop by my website at createwithcheryl.com for more inspiration. Aloha.